Nu, paskatīsimies latviski, izrunāsim latviski. Aiziet, pirmais brauciens iemetiens viņam sanāk izslīdēt līdz ārmalai. Šobrīd dūmi iekūpās, viss labi. Dodās jau priekšā nedaudz korekcija no stūras puses, izslīd līdz pašai ārmalai, nedaudz pat uz kērbu uzbrauc. Un šeit arī sanāk paņemt to ārējo zonu, pārmetiens pie sienas, nesanāk piebraukt pie sienas. Jānis Bērziņš izbrīnēja pārējo trajektoriju, te nedaudz pietrūkst, bet mēģinās aizslīdēt līdz pašai ārmalai. Šeit gan labāka trajektorija nekā mēs iepriekš redzējām. Te ar vienu rīteni gan pieskarās un tagad cilvēks sienai. Apsitās nedaudz pēc sienas pāri finiša līnijai. Edgars after the initiation zone. Really inside line there in the first corner. Could have been a little bit wider. Now, unfortunately missing out the next zone as well. Here he fills it out. That's good. From Estonia. Out the outer zone 1. Coming up to the next section. Oh, going really wide, going onto the curb. And yeah, it seems like, I don't know if it was really low points, but yeah, one point was pretty straight. Putting up a show, full speed, full smoke there, missing out the zone. And this one he gets, tries to get it closer to the wall. Not 100% perfect. Right now, over the line, Andrijus Vasiljauskas. Let's go. Good initiation there, filling out the outside zone with one wheel. Then coming up, trying to get to the outside zone. Did miss or did sacrifice the inner clip, but that's how he has to drive with this car. From the beginning, that's a good one. That's a good one there. Yeah, not the fastest initiation by him. But right now trying to fill out the zones. There he was with one wheel. That's quite well. Coming up to the wall. A bit of handbrake there. On the right place. Close to the wall. Ali Maxid finishing his first. So James Dean coming up. Really fast initiation there. Really wide line. Nice to see big smoky clouds filling out the first zone, filling out all zones right now with one wheel there against the grandstands. Coming up to the wall, really wide, I think almost at the wall. James Dean, the machine. Wow. And a 360 carbon Kevlar there. Really wide line, really smoky line there by Timur Lipski, trying to get to the outside zone. Okay, that was quite okay, but now a mistake there. Corrections, unfortunately. And over the finish line. Timur leap against the grandstands. Beautiful sounding 1 series there from Christian Salosalve coming up to the wall. And that's a solid run there by Christian. The first corner over the line there. Filling out the grandstand zone as well. Oh, getting on really hot on the curb, but the whole course. Max Miller now should be dialed in. He was looking good in practice. Fast initiation right on the edge there in the first corner by Yves Meyer. Really beautiful GR Supra. Trying to get to the outside zone, misses that. Not has to go at least to the other zone. Once it leads to the there, Yves Meyer from Switzerland. Good first corner by him. A little bit of hesitating and missing out on that zone. take almost the opposite drift at some point. Oh, coming on really hot, really fast, and onto the grass. And that's it. That's it. Good outside zone there from the Polish driver. Trying to fill out the outside zone there as well. Almost on the curve. Pretty sure. Second and third in the Finnish championship. Let's see what he can do in Drift Masters. The fans are going crazy. Henry Hanpa in his first qualifying run. Big nice smoke from his car. Coming up right now to the technical section of the track. Let's feels a bit of hesitation, but he comes over, and that's an issue there. Unfortunately, straightens out the car. I don't know why into the course. Good push there. So he knows what the judges want to see. Really wide line there by Norbert in the first corner. Giving everything in his first qualifying run there. Unfortunately missing out the zone. Coming up to the wall. Flying through the course, but as many before him misses out on the two outside zones there. Closer to the wall. Christian Erlandsson. Yellow S14 Nissan Silvia, filling out the zones, doing a good and then that's unfortunate. Some kind of he can do. Flying through the track with his beautiful Mercedes. Away points so much. Let's see how that will change with the best drivers coming up. But yeah, Adam Zalewski right now in his first qualifying run. Oh, really wide line there. That's what the judges want to see. He's always one to one. The finish line.
With a nice initiation already. Right far away from the start, coming through the second turn. Really nice wide line. A lot of smoke and speed from his car. Nice little transition. Just in the box.
And maybe a flick there. A really early initiation. But yeah, not filling out the outside zone one, that's not good for sure. Touch and go was not great as well. Coming up to the outside zone there. A really beautiful drone shot. Sound, Manuel Vaca from Italy.
And with a lot of smoke from that really wide here, just getting ahead.
Want to watch always. Let's see, good initiation there, already on the outside line. Keeping it there, that's good. Touch and go is nice. Missing a little bit the first, second touch and go inside. Coming up really fast with good speed. Towards to the wall. Good one there.
91 if I remember this correctly. And here we go, let's see how he does on his first run. Coming really angry. Oh, a little bit of
Best of Estonians, of course, out a really wide line in the first corner. Missing the touch and go, but right now coming up against the grandstands, filling out the zone completely. That's good. Right now he has to keep it together. He does. Let's hope we will see him in the second run. But let's go, Jukka Paitulakso. Oh, really shallow first corner. Not so great. Right now trying to better, of course, his run. Coming up to the wall. Okay, the first corner flick there. Quite well outside zone. Yeah, gets there as well. Right now to the next outside zone. Really close to the curve. I think he ran. And over the line. Solid run.
Already, but here we go. Let's see how he does the first turn. Really nice wide angle in the first turn. Transition looks good to the second spot, making the inside filling box. Maybe could have gone a bit more wider there. From Teemu Peltola, doing really good job right now. With a lot of smoke, not only from the start, but from his bonus.
Wide line by Pontus Hartman, really wide line, snappy transition, that's what we want to see. Coming against the grandstands, missing out a little bit, I think, on the outside zone here as well, so won't be moving forward. Coming up to the ball. And over the finish line. Pontus Hartman there, smoke is everywhere, and coming up to the next zone. Doing that well, and yeah, really fast, almost on the curve. Also really nice outside zone there, coming up to the last transition, misses out a little bit. Yeah, a little bit of a
From Portugal.
Portuguese champion, so let's see a good initiation there, good outside line for the first corner, not too wide, trying to do his best. And really filling out the other zone against the grandstands really fast. Of course. Almost.
Has he been here before?
No, it's the first time I think here. So let's see.
Let's see Naoki Nakamura. Playing around with the car right now. Few mistakes to do.
For him, good initiation, good outside line, really wide there, coming up right now to the second, to both inside cliffs. Yeah, missing a little bit on the outside zone, but he's flying. Benediktas Čirba is flying, and right now coming up to the wall. And the track in Hungary, where we have the EDC as well. Really big flick there on the initiation, wheel drop there as well. Wide line by the Hungarian driver, Kevin Piscotti, really snappy transition. Yeah, also not getting to the outside zone there as well. Missing here a little bit as well. Big snapper. A little bit of snaps there, but still.
Only 24 years old. Done a lot of nice scores before, and here we can see the transition to second turn coming really loudly. The start is straight line. Wow, nice thing.
He can do a little bit of a late initiation there, not so much angle, a little bit shallow, but coming up to the next corners. Good outside zone there against the grandstands. Haven't seen so much outside zone for a while there as well. To the wall, but yeah, losing some speed. The wall, not over the line. Beautiful car. See what Piotr Wiecek can do. First quali run for him. Good snappy initiation there. Wide line. Smoke is there. Speed is there, of course. Rocking those Valino tires. Coming up really hot, really fast. Haven't seen such a fast run. And right now up to the quali run. Initiation there with handbrake. Outside liner, big smoke. Gets the zones. Gets the inside and outside zones there as well. Coming up to the fast. Right now to the technical pump. His first quali run.
Yeah, just as the fans are awake, here we go. Jukka Riitanen coming in strong. In the first turn, going really widely, hitting some brakes. Just putting the car with, oh, and a bit of a mistake there. A bit of a mistake there, but he must continue.
Jack Shanahan, first quali run for him. Good initiation there. Of course, one of the fastest drivers out there. Ooh, really smoky. Good transition. Missing a little bit the inner clip, going really wide up onto the curb. Jack Shanahan doing what he's doing best. First quali run for him. Good initiation, fast initiation, beautiful sounding engine as well, of course. And he's flying, of course.
What a nice initiation in the first turn, hitting some brakes here and there, just putting the car where it should be. Coming really strongly through the straight